Well, you are not alone to blame either yourself or the market. Congrats, as you decided to start a t-shirt printing business. Success will depend on not only the plan you have but also your working process. You will deliver the artworks, not the plan, to your customers. So, let the accessories of your printing business be the most important part to pay head. And here in high-quality heat press owns the most importance. In this review, we will be discussing in details about the best heat press machine for t-shirt printing in 2021 available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need best heat press machine for t-shirt printing in 2021, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.
Here you will get the verified review of the top 10 printers that are competing in the market for the last 5 years. Sometimes choosing the right brand becomes difficult when some are standing in the same position. But if you watch till the end, you can easily select your suitable one and know about the guidelines of choosing a perfect printer. So don't rush and skip the whole video. Purchasing the perfect printer for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the printer from the market. Thanks for staying with us. Your satisfaction gives us the motivation for uploading more awesome videos. If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.
Printer ever present top 8 best heat press machine for t-shirt printing 2021. Let's get started with the list of the best heat press machine for t-shirt printing 2021. Number 1. PowerPress Industrial Quality Digital 15 by 15 inch Sublimation T-shirt Heat Press. To get started with our list, the PowerPress Industrial Quality Digital Heat Press 15 by 15 inch comes with its incredible feature of use. You can use it easily without encountering any problems. It is a solid and durable heat press machine that can stand the test of time. It is a reliable device that will not fail you. This machine is qualified to be used for professional and semi-professional jobs due to its temperature range of 500 degrees Fahrenheit. It has an adjustable pressure which will help you to choose the suitable pressure for each item you want to print on to prevent burnt items. This specific product comes with a stopwatch which is used to control the time and temperature of the machine to prevent overexposure to heat by the items printed upon. There is also a large work surface area to enable you to transfer your artworks to different ranges of flat surfaces. It has a silicone gel base which you can find at its rear end. This helps to increase the stability, smooth working of the heat press machine. Features: the adjustable pressure knobs help you to set the pressure for different items. Digital time and temperature control enable you to set the time. A silicone gel base is glued down for a smooth operation. There is a stopwatch to prevent excess heat. Temperature range of 0 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit for professional transfers. The voltage of 110 V power, 1800 W, a brand new coated sheet of 15 x 15 inches. It has a compact body with an upward opening, coated heat platen to prevent stains.
Check product link and price on video description below. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more updates.
Number 2. The F2C Pro 5-in-1 Digital Transfer Sublimation Heat Press Machine. The F2C Pro 5-in-1 Digital Transfer Sublimation Heat Press helps you to print your attractive designs on different surfaces. It is specially made to print on assorted surfaces like mousepads, tiles, puzzles, ceramic plates, mugs, coasters, and t-shirts respectively. The F2C Pro is solid and can last for a very long time. The body is made up of powerful steel frames. Welded toe resists wear and tear. The working area has a large surface of 12 by 15 inches which is enough to hold a large number of the items you want to print on. This particular product comes together with a heat press printer machine and is also assembled for your ease of use. You can also find a digital time and temperature control in the system of this heat press to ensure your perfect result. Again, the swing-away design of this brand ensures your safety while you are using it to do your transfer. Features. This brand has a CE certification. It has a rubber grip for ease of use. A 360 degrees swing-away design for your safety. The large surface area of 12 by 15 inches hold many items. The platen is Teflon coated. Adjustable silicone and cotton pads. There is also a changeable multi-springer balancer. High-quality sturdy steel frames that elongate their lifespan. Temperature control ranges from 0 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Timer control that starts from 0 to 999 seconds. You can also find a curved 6 by 3 inch hat and cap press.
Check product link and price on video description below.
Number 3. Mophorn Heat Press 5-in-1 Multifunction Sublimation Heat Press Machine Review. Mophorn Heat Press 5-in-1 Multifunction Sublimation Heat Press is affordable and yet delivers the best quality result which will blow your mind. This machine is a solid transfer instrument that is surrounded by a heavy steel mechanism. This fabricated steel construction is welded by professionals to promote ease of use. You can use it at home due to its small working surface of 12 by 10 inches. The heat platen has powerful heating coils to ensure a constant and even heat distribution for the entire transfer. The heating elements are also coated with a Teflon sheet to prevent sticking and to protect your transfer paper from encountering damages. The swing-away design of this brand ensures that the upper platen will rotate 360 degrees around, thereby providing safety. Do you know why? You can now shift the heating element without working nearer the heat distribution area. At least there will be no accidental burning of your hands while working on your project. To be specific, if you are using the Mophorn heat press machine for your transfers, you are assured of direct top-to-bottom pressure. Features. A swing-away design for your safety. Large element for more working surface of 12 by 10 inches. Power. 550 W voltage of 110 volts. Inbuilt Teflon-coated heat element. There is an instructional manual, already assembled and ready to use. Adjustable pressure knobs. High-quality elevated lower platen, highly multifunctional. Upper heat platen that rotates 360 degrees.
Check product link and price on video description below.
Number 4. Fancierstudio PowerPress Heat Press Swing-Away Heat Press Machine. Fancierstudio PowerPress Heat Press Swing-Away is specifically designed with a swing-away feature. With this feature, its upper heat plate can rotate 360 degrees around to keep users safe. A base plate is added to the makeup of this machine to ensure easy transfers. The heating element of this great heat transfer machine is moved aside to prevent accidental contact with the heating element during the heat distribution. The Fancierstudio PowerPress has an industrial strength which made it possible for you to use for a very long time. There is an additional coating to the heat platen of this machine to prevent tear and wear. Also, the silicone rubber base is glued down for your safety purposes. The machine has a compact design which makes it space efficient. You can use it to print letters, numbers, or graphic designs on t-shirts, bags, mouse mats, jigsaw puzzles, ID badges, ceramic tiles, and other items. Features. The pressure knobs are made to be adjustable. It has a silicone gel base. The time setup is made to precise. There is a digital time and temperature control. The temperature range from 0 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. It has a timer that ranges from 0 to 999 seconds. The heat platen is coated with Teflon. Compact design. Power voltage of 110 V. 1800 W.
Check product link and price on video description below.
Number 5. DG Heat Press Digital Sublimation T-Shirt Heat Press. (15 by 15 inch black). The DG Heat Press Digital Sublimation T-Shirt Heat Press is a long-lasting brand. The body has high-quality materials to ensure its durability. The DG heat press comes with an instructional manual which will make it easy for the prospective user. It can easily heat up within 5 to 10 minutes of being switched on, although it all depends on the temperature you choose. The machine is built to be a big size of 15 by 15 inches so that it can accommodate a large area of the work surface. The silicone rubber base is not turned down but made to be adjustable to enable you to keep it the way you want it. The DG heat press is a space-efficient machine because it has an upward opening design. To be precise, this is the instrument to use if you want to print letters, numbers, and graphic designs on t-shirts, garments, bags, mouse mats, jigsaw puzzles, ceramic tiles, and ID badges. Features: the gel baseboard is made of silicone. It has a digital timer and temperature control. Also built in is a stopwatch for accurate timing. A brand new Teflon-coated heat platen. The power voltage of 110 V, 1800 W, an additional bonus of Teflon sheet. Built to be 15 by 15 inches in size. Compact in build. Coated sheet on the heat plate.
Check product link and price on video description below. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more updates.
Number 6. Zeny Heat Press 12 inches by 15 inches Pro 6-in-1 Combo Heat Press Machine. The Zeny Heat Press 12 inches by 15 inches Pro 6-in-1 Combo is a multifunctional machine that will give you good value for your money. The body is constructed with strong and powerful steel parts to ensure reliability and durability. Zeny Heat Press is well packaged, heats up quickly, and efficiently produces the desired results. It comes with additional attachments for versatility on your transfer items. These attachments are also made easy to use so you don't have to complain of time wasting. The height is made to be adjustable to enable you to transfer on shirts, sweatshirts, even stuffed animals, not minding their thickness. This t-shirt printing machine is specifically built to be compact in size and space efficient, and as a result, it could be your choice as the best heat press machine for small businesses. This means you can store it anywhere. The swing-away design of this heat press rotates 360 degrees and ensures safety and no burns. It has a dual digital LED temperature controller that is built to monitor the time and temperature movements. Highlighted features: the swing-away design for safety. Dual digital LED monitor for temperature and time. There is 6-in-1 multifunctional attachment for versatility. Strong metal frame welded properly to elongate its useful life. Adjustable pressure knobs to select the right level for different materials. Teflon coated a large working surface of 12 inches by 15 inches to avoid stickiness. Adjustable multiple spring balance.
Check product link and price on video description below.
Number 7. ShareProfit 5-in-1 Multifunctional Transfer Sublimation Heat Press Machine. The ShareProfit Heat Press Machine is a newly released brand that has risen to the top ranks due to its authenticity. It is the best t-shirt printing machine to use if you want to transfer your colorful graphic designs onto any material of your choice in no time at all. You can use the ShareProfit 5-in-1 Multifunctional Transfer Sublimation Heat Press on any number of items ranging from mugs, hats, coasters, ceramic plates, jigsaw puzzles, caps, lettering to fabrics. The 5-in-1 design will enable you to use the machine to carry out different kinds of jobs without looking for any other attachment. It comes together with an additional mug press, hat press, and 2 other plate presses respectively. To be precise, this machine is the best fit for small-scale business or home usage due to a heating board of 12 by 15 inches. The ShareProfit heat press is fully assembled and ready to use for the benefit of people who don't have the experience of how it works. There is also an instructional manual that will guide you through the process. The system is built with cotton and silicone pads which are replaceable. It also has a swing-away design which enables it to fully rotate 360 degrees when in use. To prevent burning of transfers, there is a high-quality aluminum Teflon-coated platen press element. Features: swing-away design that rotates 360 degrees. An adjustable multiple function spring balance 5-in-1 design. It has Teflon-coated aluminum heat press elements. The large size of 12 by 15 inches transfers the element. Power of 1400 watts V. You can use it to print on almost any items.
Check product link and price on video description below.
Number 8. BestEquip Swing-Away Heat Press Machine for T-shirts. The BestEquip Swing-Away is a compact transferring machine that can transfer pictures and letters on cotton materials, fiber, metals, ceramics, glass, and other items of your choice. You can also use it to print letters, numbers, and images on t-shirts, garments, bags, mouse mats, jigsaw puzzles, ceramic tiles, plates, and other flat surfaces. The temperature of the BestEquip heat press ranges from 0 to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. This machine comes with a digital time and temperature control which ensures that the settings are precise and suitable for the particular material you want to transfer on. If you are looking for the best heat press machine for home use, this machine can be recommended as it comes with an LCD screen that enables you to view and read the workings of the machine. There is also an audible alarm which signifies the time up of the transfer to prevent overexposure to heat. The swing-away design enables you to see the whole work area while the transfer is in the process. It also ensures the safety of your hands, hence you don't have to work directly with the heating elements. The BestEquip swing-away heat press makes sure that there is even heat distribution throughout the whole working area. Features: the swing-away design rotates 360 degrees for accuracy. It comes in the size of 11.5 by 9 inches. Adjustable timer control ranges from 0 to 999 seconds. A digital temperature gauge that ranges from 0 to 399 degrees centigrade or 750 degrees Fahrenheit. An LCD pressure control for the monitor. A double-boxed pre-installed Teflon-coated sheet. Comes together with an instructional manual. It is fully assembled and ready to use for anybody. The ability to transfer on a wide range of products.
Check product link and price on video description below. Thanks for watching us. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.